Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about tenses. What tenses are exactly? Whatever sentence you speak or write or listen which includes the rules, the formulas and its subkinds, its examples. So let's start with rules. We have to understand the tenses with the help of rules and timeline and formulas. Okay, so here you can see we have three tenses: present, past and future, and its subkinds are simple form, progressive form, perfect form and perfect progressive. Here you can see we have some rules over here that what we have to use in present simple form, in present progressive form. Let's take an example of present simple form. We have to use first form plus s or es. So how we have to convert that formula in the sentence is this. That's present simple form. We have to use first form with is or es, and we have to put ses with he, she, it, but we don't need to put with I. Okay, so I have to write whatever the sentence I want to write. Like let's suppose I'm writing I and eat. Eat is the first form, so this is present simple form. In the same way, present progressive, over here am, is, or plus ing form plus first form plus ing. First form plus ing is equal to fourth form. So we have to, if I'm writing the sentence with I, so I have to put am. If I'm writing sentence with he, she, it, so I have to put is. And if I'm writing we, they, so I have to put are. So over here I'm using I, so I have to put I with am over here, and then ing form of eat is eating. In this way, present perfect form is have or has. We have to use has with s or es forms like he, she, it, and with rest we have to use I have, they have. So over here I have used an I over here, so I will use have over here, and the third form of eat would be eaten. In this way, perfect progressive form over here. I have used all of these rules over here in these formulas and make the sentences. And you need to keep one thing in your mind, that there are subkinds of all of the tenses. In examples we can see affirmative, negative, interrogative. Let's suppose there is a sentence in present simple tense that I am a doctor. If I ask you to write, the negative of this sentence should be like I am not a doctor. You have to put not over here. And if I ask you to put interrogative, so what you have to do, you have to put the helping verb at the start and make it a question. Am I a doctor? Question mark. Okay, so these are the kinds and subkinds of tenses. You may use the single sentence in all of the 12 sentences by following these kinds of rules. You need to follow these rules to make a proper batch. You have to make a proper chart with the help of these formulas, these rules, and you can easily understand the sentence structure with the help of this kind of tenses chart.